Jared Polin, FroPack2.com, and I'm proud to announce FroPack2. This pack includes 15 all-new custom Lightroom presets that are designed to help you edit your images quickly with unique looks. Now, let's see them in action. Introducing Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Caribbean Creamsicle, Golden Grams, Bob Ross, Apollo, Burnt Sienna, AC/DC, Double Stuffed Oreos, Snow White, Charlie Brown, Gritty, Matte Black, Harvest Moon, Dorothy, and Charmin. Click below to head on over to FroPack2.com/FroPack2 to check out the before and after images, and if you like them, go ahead and pick them up right now, or you can save $40 instantly off the full retail price when you bundle FroPack2 and FroPack1 together. Thank you very much for your support. Jared Polin, FroPack2.com. See ya.